In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a moving object using the Boris Continuum Complete Motion Key Filter in Final Cut Pro. Continuum Complete is also available for Apple Motion, Avid, Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, Autodesk Combustion, and Autodesk Discrete systems. Continuum Complete contains over 180 unique filters that work directly within the host application, allowing you to achieve a variety of effects within a familiar interface. Each filter also has an accompanying PDF file that describes its use and capabilities. The BCC Motion Key Filter allows you to isolate and remove a moving foreground object and replace it with the background image. I'll use this clip of a city street with a car passing by as an example. With the Motion Key Filter, I can remove the car. To start, I'll click on the Effects tab and open the Video Filters folder, then the BCC Keys and Mats folder, then drag the BCC Motion Key Filter onto my clip in the timeline. I'll then double-click on it and open up its Filters tab to access the filter controls. I'll drag my clip into the source layer box. I need to maneuver the setup region box over the entire object that I'd like to be removed for the course of the clip. I'll move the CTI to an area where I can see the whole car so I can shape the setup region to cover the car. I'll switch the area selection shape to rectangle and manipulate the area position, area scale, and area aspect parameters to cover the car. Now I'll move the CTI to the frame where the car first makes an appearance. I'll use the area position offset parameter to adjust the setup region box over the car and hit the Insert Keyframe button. Then I'll move the CTI to where the car exits the screen and add a position keyframe with the setup region box repositioned to cover the car. Now I can scrub through to see if I need to add any more keyframes to make sure that the car is completely covered. If I set the Mode menu to show mask, I can see the likelihood that the object will be removed successfully. A clear area means that the filter cannot remove the object. Red areas will be removed. Blue areas indicate a good chance of removing most pixels. I can increase the replacement range if there are any areas of the mask that are clear. Replacement range limits the frames that can be used as source material relative to the current frame. This can provide a better result depending on the speed of the moving object and the number of frames in the clip. To view the final result, I'll set the Mode menu to remove area. Now I can play the effect to make sure that the object has been removed. .com